You can create incredible results for your permanent makeup clients with this lightweight and slimline wireless PMU machine. I'm Charlotte, and today we're looking at the Magic Dermo wireless PMU machine from Innovell. They have designed this wireless permanent makeup pen machine with comfort in mind. It weighs just 102 grams with a standard grip, making it lightweight and comfortable to use for longer periods. It comes with 3 interchangeable ergonomic grips and works with all universal cartridges, making it super versatile. It also has a voltage range of 5 to 12 volts and is adjustable in 0.1 increments. You can charge the Magic Dermo for around 2 hours to get around 5 to 8 hours running time. The display screen is user-friendly with the voltage and battery level displayed at the top. The plus, minus and power buttons sit just underneath and are easy to navigate to make the adjustments you need. With a fixed 2.5mm stroke length, it's perfect for a range of treatments including fine lines and more detailed work as well as soft shading. It will also be suitable for working on most skin types. You can get yours today by clicking the link below to take you to the Killer Beauty website. If you loved our video, we want to know. Hit the like button below and subscribe to the Killer Beauty YouTube channel for more product reviews and news.